And then you have to pass search parameters too.
Yes, yes, pass the search parameters. So CTR search type equals search type and CTR. What was the other one?
I can't remember. Maybe just slide the window down. Oh, it's not going to be visible.
CTR search type and then search
you
param.
Can get away with, well, look at, you can scroll up behind there. It's very exciting. Where is that devil? Right there. T search params. Is that the one?
No, that's not it. So we'll just start with this, or we can just take a quick look. Page, keywords and category. We'll need to pass them both just in case one or the other is in there. So.
Oh, that's right. We generate search parameters on this page when we get there. You got to do snippet F. Oh, it's still there. Good.
Okay. And again, we'll explain all this once I get it typed out here. Okay, does that look okay to you?
Mm-hmm.
You might want to URL encode a couple of these. As well as this one.
The thing to keep in mind is that if you're building an href, it has to work like an href. So if it has actual spaces in it or any other apostrophes that aren't escaped, it'll break that link. So because we're passing categories and keywords, people are able to type funky things into a text box. That URL encoding will prevent the links from breaking.
Okay, so if we look at an individual link that we've edited here, it's going to be a lot longer. CTR page equals results, CTR search type equals search type, keywords, and the categories, and then we start with the needed stuff for the show next. So let's first just see if this is going to work. Search max equals 6. Okay, so going to save that, and let's do search for T. That should bring up a lot of results here. Right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 results, but yet we have these other pages. So if we click on 2, there's 2 more. And then we're looping through. Pretty much, this would be, close to all the products in the database, 26 of them. So let's show you how that worked. Okay, the first thing we did was we copied in some variables that need to be set. The reason why I coded it this way is that we have the ability to easily change the way the show next works. For example, if we wanted more items to be listed on a page, more than 6, we could change this search MX record to 10 or 15, then we'd see 15 products at a time, for example. The show next max, this is what And if you see 2 here, 2 right there, this is what you see that's, so for example, if we're on page 3, we see 2 more pages ahead of it. That's what that setting does. If you change it to 1, you will only see the 4 and the 2. And then this is kind of an advanced function here, but it looks nice, kind of like a Google show next. And then the advanced, those are these characters. We're going to advance 4 items at a time. It helps you loop through found sets a little bit faster than clicking on individual pages. So, for example, if we click on the 2 less than symbols here, we go through the card a little bit faster that way. So, anyway, now we have our show next feature in place, and whatever we type here, whether it be T-sets, we can hide this if it's on one page, but I think that looks okay for now. It's not a big problem. So let's punch in black T's again. So we have a lot of things that have the terms both black and T in them.
And remember, it's word or, so it's going to search for everything that matches black T, black by itself, and T by itself.
All right.
And we have an incoming call. So that's a great piece of code that gives you some excellent navigation.
Right. I used to charge for it a long time ago.
See, if you're nice enough to Donovan, I'm telling you, he'll put your kids through college.
So we've got our navigation down pretty pat, I think.
Thank you.
Yeah. So what do we do from here? Well, we got to be able to buy something,
That's
right?
It. Go in the cart.
Maybe we'll take a quick break, and then we'll move on to adding some cart features. But I think everything, searching, the idea is to get to a product quickly. So if we want to search for this Humpty Dumpty tea canister clock, let's say we search for Humpty. Well, there it is, the Humpty Dumpty tea canister clock. Click on the detail, and we're all ready to buy it and add it to the cart. All right, well, let's call that one a wrap.